Hello everyone, welcome back to English Chat channel, where learning English becomes simple, real, and fun. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss our natural English lessons. Alright, Hassan, let's begin.
Thank you, Rima. And yes, everybody, make sure you subscribe. Your support helps us create more long, natural English conversation lessons. So Rima, I heard that today you brought something interesting.
Not interesting, actually the opposite. Today's topic is the boring story.
The boring story? Are we seriously doing that?
Yes, because boring days are real, and real English comes from real life. And honestly, sometimes boring stories become the funniest ones.
True. All right then, tell us. What happened? What was so boring about your day?
So, yesterday, I woke up and immediately felt like doing nothing. I wasn't sad, I wasn't tired, I just didn't want to exist in the world for a few hours.
A classic leave me alone morning.
Exactly. I made tea, but then I forgot to drink it. I looked out the window for 20 minutes, not thinking, not feeling, just existing like a houseplant.
A houseplant with thoughts.
Barely with thoughts. Then I told myself, all right, Rima, do something productive. So I cleaned my desk for exactly 30 seconds.
A record-breaking productivity level.
Thank you. Then I lay on my bed again, staring at the ceiling, wondering why the ceiling has so many tiny dots. And that was my morning.
That is beautifully boring. Poetic boredom.
Yes, but here's the point. Even a boring day gives you English vocabulary. Like, I wasn't in the mood to do anything. I zoned out for a while. I felt unmotivated. I wanted a break from everything.
And I spent the morning in silence. I tried to be productive, but failed. That day felt slow and empty. I took things one moment at a time.
Exactly. So if anyone watching has boring days, congratulations. You have free English content. All right, Hassan, my turn. My boring day started when I said to myself, today, I will be productive. I will achieve everything. And then, I didn't.
What happened?
Well, I tried reading a book. I read one page. Just one. Then I stared at the wall thinking, wow, that wall is very wall-like.
Deep observation.
Then I made coffee, but I forgot I made it. By the time I remembered, it was cold. So I microwaved it, and it exploded.
A peaceful, boring day ruined by a coffee explosion.
Exactly. Then I tried to clean the microwave and somehow made the kitchen messier.
This is not boring. This is chaos pretending to be boring.
See? That's why boring stories are secretly interesting. They're calm, but the details are funny.
Yes, like I tried to meditate but fell asleep. I planned to write but ended up scrolling for an hour. I told myself 5 minutes break. Then the sun went down.
Those are universal experiences. Let's teach a few phrases people can use to describe boring days. I had a slow morning.
Nothing exciting happened.
I didn't have energy for anything.
I just drifted through the day. Time felt like it wasn't moving.
And more advanced ones, I wasn't mentally present.
My mind was foggy. I couldn't get myself to focus. I was functioning on autopilot. The day felt monotonous.
These sound really natural. Use them in daily conversations. Here are small things that make boring days funny. 1. dropping your pen and watching it fall like it's a dramatic movie. 2. Opening the fridge 10 times without taking anything. 3. Checking the same app again and again as if it changed. 4. Talking to your own reflection. 5. Sitting on the bed with your towel for 45 minutes after a shower. 6. Typing something, deleting it, typing again, deleting again. 7. Standing in the kitchen forgetting why you came. 8. Staring at your phone but not unlocking it. 9. Laughing at your own thoughts quietly. 10. Rearranging your pillows for no reason. 11. Watching a fly and feeling like it has a more productive life than you. 12. Reading the same line 5 times. 13. Yawning so much that you start crying. 14. Cleaning one item, then saying, I did enough today. 15. Googling random things. 16. Talking to your pet like it's your therapist. 17. Texting friends, I'm bored. 18. Falling into the YouTube hole. 19. Taking a nap at the wrong time. 20. Wondering how the entire day disappeared.
These are too real, especially the fridge part.
That is the national hobby of boring days.
Hassan, remember that time we watched a movie that was so boring?
That we started discussing the chairs in the theater?
Exactly. I said, this chair is uncomfortable. You said, mine is losing its confidence. We created a whole backstory for the chairs.
A more interesting story than the actual movie.
Yes, boring situations make you creative.
What I like about boring days is the quiet humor. Not loud laughter, but that soft, personal smile you hide when something silly happens.
Yes, that little smile when you remember something embarrassing, or when you make a small mistake, or when you're talking to yourself without realizing it. Those tiny moments feel real. Not exciting, but very human. So what did we learn today?
We learned that boring days can teach natural English, can become funny stories, can help you practice real-life vocabulary, can be calm and meaningful.
And that everyone has these days. And that's okay.
Yes, don't try to make every day exciting. Just live it softly.
Thank you all for watching today's long lesson. We hope you enjoyed our calm, natural conversation.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Tell us about your boring day, because your boring story might actually be interesting.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Stay relaxed, stay curious, and keep learning English.
Goodbye, everyone.